and welcome to English Study Hour. Today we are talking about the phrasal verb cut out and 5 meanings of this phrasal verb. Previously, we have spoken about so many phrasal verbs which we use on the regular basis, and cut out is one of them. This is the usual verb which we use on the daily basis every day, all the time, in different situations to describe different things. So today we are going to learn 5 meanings of this verb, and hopefully you're going to use them as well on the daily basis in your regular life. So let's start. And the first meaning of the phrasal verb cut out is to remove something from the object or a thing. Let's look at the first example. You should cut out these plastic labels because they are disturbing. You should cut out these plastic labels means that I need to remove them from my clothes, from a piece of clothing, most probably because they disturb me. There are too many beads on this pullover. I'm going to cut some of them out. My pullover sparkles a lot because there are too many beads on it, and maybe I don't like it very much. Because of this, I'm going to cut them out. I'm going to remove some beads from my pullover. The second meaning of the phrasal verb cut out is very interesting. Also, we need to remember to use it together with the preposition from. So actually the form is cut out from. And the meaning is to shape a paper or another soft material so that you have a specific object coming as a result of this shaping. To carve something out of paper or another soft material. Let's look at examples. We're going to cut out some snowflakes from paper. Cut out some snowflakes from paper means that we're going to shape this paper so that we have snowflakes as a result of this shaping. Or we are going to carve with the help of scissors to cut, to carve the shape of snowflake. And the second example, Jane has cut out stars and hearts from those bread pieces. Cut out stars and hearts. So Jane shaped those leftovers, those bread leftovers, and cut with the help of forms, maybe baking forms, the stars and the hearts. The third meaning of this verb is not to use, not to consume something that you used or consumed before. To stop, to eliminate, to stop using or consuming something, to eliminate it. For example, we have cut all the pastries and chocolate out of our daily diet due to the health reasons. We have cut pastries and chocolate out of our daily diet. Means that we stopped using it in such huge amounts. We don't buy a lot of pastries, we don't buy a lot of chocolate, and we don't eat them as we did it before. And the second example, Caroline, please cut it out. The music is too loud. Caroline, please cut it out. Stop it. Cut it out means that I'm asking Caroline to stop music, to stop playing music so loudly. Number 4, cut out means not to include someone, not to include someone's opinion or decision. For example, since Jane didn't support this project financially, our manager cut her out of the meeting schedule. Our manager cut her out of the meeting schedule means that our manager hasn't included her into the meeting schedule. He or she, the manager, cut her out of the meeting schedule. And the second example, Sam doesn't want to do any overtime this month. That's why he has asked his supervisor to be cut out of the evening schedule. To be cut out of the evening schedule means that he doesn't want to be included. He doesn't want to participate in the evening work, in the evening projects. Not to be included. Cut out. The next one and the last one for today is to be cut out for. And the meaning of this word combination is the following: to be suitable for a specific activity, work, to have the required abilities or skills. For example, Mary isn't cut out for the job of a nurse. She doesn't have enough patience and doesn't like working long hours. Mary isn't cut out for the work of a nurse means that Mary doesn't have enough skills. Mary isn't well qualified. Mary doesn't have enough patience for this specific work. And the second example, Patrick is cut out for a career in business. He can easily work under pressure and gets motivated by the challenges. Patrick is cut out for the career in business. This sentence means that Patrick is very suitable. Patrick has enough skills, enough qualification. Patrick has enough personal characteristics to do the work in business. Patrick is cut out for this job. Today we have spoken about a phrasal verb cut out and 5 meanings of this verb. We looked at examples, how we can use this phrasal verb in sentences, and I hope you learned a lot from this video. If you found this video useful, like it, comment, and subscribe. See you!